Introducing Optimum Opti-Seal, a revolutionary spray sealant that provides incredible gloss and long-lasting protection with just a few drops. 1 ounce is enough to seal and protect 4 to 5 vehicles, giving you maximum coverage and unbeatable shine. With Opti-Seal, a little goes a long way. No residue, no buffing. Just spray, wipe, and walk away. It's designed to be quick and easy, but the durable cross-link polymer protection lasts for months. The magic behind Opti-Seal lies in its advanced polymer technology. As soon as it touches the surface, it starts to cross-link and bond, creating a crystal-clear protective film. Your paint is sealed from dirt, moisture, UV rays, and oil, keeping that perfect gloss intact. Though Opti-Seal is designed for exterior surfaces, it works just as well on interior. Leather, vinyl, and fabric. Use it to protect your plastic trim, wheels, and glass. Almost everything, except rubber. This is not just a quick fix, it's a state-of-the-art sealant that replaces the need for multiple products. Now, if your paint needs corrections, start with the Optimum Hyper Polish to smooth out imperfections. Then, finish with Opti-Seal for a long-lasting protection and a show-ready shine. It's that easy. Just spray, wipe, and walk away. No streaks, no cloudy residue, just a clear, glossy finish that lasts for months. Use Opti-Seal as a standalone sealant or as a drying aid. With Optimum Opti-Seal, paint protection couldn't be easier or more effective.